Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing Wasabi Warrior from Spin Master Monster Jam Series 31. So here it is. This is the chase piece from Series 31. Got it at Kohl's for $4. And yeah, so I actually got this about 2 months ago. And I'm just unboxing it now. I don't know why I didn't unbox it before. I was just lazy and didn't make a video. But here it is. It's part of the Monster Feast set, which is the chase trucks for, well, I guess 2023, because 2023 is over now. But this was the chase trucks. These were the chase trucks for 2023. I got all of them except for, I think it was the donut one. It was a donut one. I don't remember what it was called. Part of Series 29. That's the only one I didn't get. But in Series 31, I have all the other trucks except for Megalodon and Jurassic Attack, but I'm fine not getting those. So they're pretty much just re-releases. So here it is. Let's open it. Here it is. Actually, at Target the other day, I found some of Series 34. Not all of them, just the Gold Max D and the Blue Thunder, the yellow one. So I'm going to be releasing an unboxing video for that within the next week, so stay tuned for that. But here's Wasabi Warrior. So this is a sushi truck. And so you can see going across the whole truck, there's flames, and then there's a ton of smoke around it or something. There's a piece of sushi with flames going off of it. The Wasabi Warrior logo is pretty cool. It's a green circle with some flames. And then there's yellow and red writing for Wasabi Warrior. That logo is also on the hood, except instead of yellow flames, there are green flames. This side has a fish on it. It has several more sushi. There's 3 of them instead of 1 on the other side. And this one has a green fish. I don't know what kind of fish that is. Maybe bass or something. But there's a green fish across it, and that's pretty cool. And then I'm not really sure what that is, but there's something, it kind of looks like a moon in the background. Some yellow circle in the background. And the roof has 2 chopsticks with sushi going through them. There's one sushi up here with flames going around it. There's flames going off from behind both of them. And then if you look at the back, there's some more sushi. Instead of the circle one, there's also one of the ones with rice and fish. And yeah, more smoke coming off of it. And then if you look at the menu, there's Slam and Salmon for $8 and Dragonoid Roll for $9. That's a pretty cool reference to Dragonoid. But so there's that. And then the chassis is actually pretty cool because it's got a orange roll cage, green chassis, and then there's these white little printing on the side and an orange trims. And it would be cool if they used this in more trucks. Like, it would be cool if they made a River Rat diecast, because that truck has these little white circles on the outside. They probably don't have the rights to make that truck just because it's independent, but it would be a cool idea. This could be a good body to make a custom with it. If you took the tires off of it, you could use these to make a custom River Rat, but that's just an idea. And so yeah, that's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing, because I will have a lot more videos coming out soon. Thank you. Goodbye.